Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to mirror Android screen to PC. To share your screen on the PC, you have to simply go to the search bar that is in the task view and then you have to search for projecting. And after that, you will see this option which is projecting to this PC. Simply open it up and after that, you have to enable it. By default, it is turned off, so you have to simply enable it. Once you have enabled, you will see this option for the launch. You have to click onto it and this projecting to this PC will get launched. Now what you have to do is you have to simply remember the name. Right now it is system. You may have a different name based on what name you have set for your PC. What you have to do is you have to open your mobile phone. Once your mobile phone has been opened, now you have to scroll down and there you will see the option for the screen mirror. It is available in every phone. If you couldn't find it, you can search for in the settings. This is the icon for the screen mirroring. You have to simply click onto it and after that it will start searching and you will see the name of the PC that we saw. In my case, it was system. You have to simply click onto it and after that you will see your screen will start getting shared on your PC. Then you can go to any app or wherever you would like to and your screen will be shared on your PC. Once you stop the mirroring, again click onto the screen mirror option and it will stop sharing your screen on PC. So that's how you can mirror your Android screen to PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.